Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make your bag up to this level yourself. So I already started before I decide to make this video. So as for the beginning, I went in with 4 beads, one at the base, one each at both sides, and I crossed with the 4th one. Moving on, I went in with 3 beads. Yes, 3 beads. I dropped one each at both sides and I crossed with the 3rd one. And again, I went in with another 3, one each at both sides, and I crossed with the 3rd one, as you can see in the video. We'll continue this process with 3 beads, one each at both sides like I showed, and I crossed with the 3rd one. So getting here, I want to cross my bead to the other side because I already have the length that I want. So I'll be adding the last 3, which I'll be using to cross to the other side. So I'll be adding the 3 to one side of the line, all 3 to one side of the line. I'll be adding it to the left line. So I'll be going in with my 1st one, 2nd one, and the 3rd one, which I'll be crossing with the 3rd one. So crossing it, I'll be moving to the next line. As you can see, I already passed my line. I'm on the other side. So to start beading the other side, I'll be going in first with another 3. Yes, another 3. So I'll be putting the 3 on my right line, the 1st one, the 2nd one, and the 3rd one. So I'll be crossing with the 3rd one. Yes, so I'll be making my cross with the 3rd one. So after doing this and after crossing and everything, I'll be passing my left line into the next bead. Passing it into the next bead to continue going forward. So after then, I'll be adding 2 beads. Yes, remember when we first crossed and we added 3 beads, but this time around I'll be going with 2 beads. Yes, 1, and I'll be crossing with the 2nd one. After that, I'll pass my line again to the next bead. I'll pass my line again, my left line, into the next bead and add another 2, crossing with the 2nd one. I'll pass my left line into the next bead and I'll add another 2 beads onto my right line, and which I'll be crossing with the 2nd one. So we keep weaving with 2 till we get to the last bead and cross to the other side. Now we've crossed to another side, and like I showed earlier, we'll be adding 3 to one of the line and cross with the third one. After this, I'll pass my left line into the next bead and add 2 beads, just like I did for the second line. So we'll continue the process till we get here. Now I have what I need, so I'll be dividing it into section of 2 sides and the base. Make sure you count to know what you'll be working with, so that its side will not be longer than the other, or probably there will be a mistake when you're folding it. So make sure you count well and know what you want your side to be and what you want your base to be. Onto the side of the bag, we'll be passing our fishing line to the first bead at the base, like I'm doing, and also insert it into the first bead by the side. After passing your line into the beads, you add 2 beads to your right line and cross with the second one. After that, you pass your line again into the next bead on the side, and you add another 2 beads to your right line, which you'll be crossing with the second bead, and you continue the process until you get to the end. Getting here, you pass your line into the bead and also pass it to the second bead at the base. After that, you add 1 bead and cross it with it. Now you pass your line to the last bead at the base, and you also pass it to the first bead at the side. After passing it through, you add 1 bead. This time around, we are closing it up, so we add 1 bead and we cross with it. Now I'll pass my lines into the beads at both sides. I'll go ahead and do the same thing. I'll pass my lines into the next beads at both sides and continue crossing with one until I reach the end of it. Now at the other side, and I remember I didn't show you how I cross from this tip back down to the side. So I pass my line. As you can see, my lines are already out of the beads, so I need to add the next two, which I'll be crossing with the second one, and after doing that is going to change direction to the other side. After that, I'll be going in with 3, which I'll be crossing with the third one, and I'll continue with 2 downward till I get to the last part of it and cross to another side. If you find this video useful and you want more lessons to come on bead bags, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you for watching.